Introduction. Welcome to our exciting journey to Kata Beach, one of Thailand's hidden gems. In this video, we're diving into everything that makes Kata Beach a must-visit destination for travelers seeking sun, sand, and adventure. Whether you're a beach bum, an adventure seeker, or someone looking to unwind, Kata Beach has something special for everyone. We'll kick things off with a stunning overview of the beach itself, showcasing its crystal clear waters and soft golden sands that stretch for miles. You'll see why this picturesque spot is perfect for sunbathing, swimming, or simply soaking in the breathtaking views. But that's just the beginning. Get ready to explore the vibrant local culture, delicious food, and thrilling activities that await you. We'll take you on a tour of the best beachside eateries, where you can savor authentic Thai cuisine, from fresh seafood to mouth-watering street food. And for those who crave adventure, we'll highlight exciting water sports like snorkeling, surfing, and paddle boarding that will get your adrenaline pumping. But wait, there's more? We'll also share some hidden gems around Kata Beach, including nearby islands and scenic viewpoints that offer Instagram-worthy photo ops. Plus, we'll give you tips on the best times to visit and how to make the most of your trip. So, grab your sunscreen and get ready for an unforgettable adventure at Kata Beach. Whether you're planning your next vacation or just daydreaming about paradise, this video is packed with inspiration and insider tips. Let's dive in! Kata Beach overview. Nestled on the southwestern coast of Phuket, Kata Beach is a breathtaking slice of paradise that captivates visitors with its stunning scenery and inviting atmosphere. With its soft, powdery sands and crystal clear waters, this beach is a visual feast that beckons travelers from all corners of the globe. The vibrant turquoise hues of the ocean contrast beautifully with the lush green hills that frame the shoreline, creating a picturesque backdrop that feels like a postcard come to life. One of the most appealing aspects of Kata Beach is its relaxed vibe. Unlike some of the more bustling beaches in Phuket, Kata offers a serene escape where you can unwind and soak up the sun without feeling overwhelmed by crowds. The gentle sound of the waves lapping against the shore sets the perfect tone for a day of relaxation. Whether you're lounging on the beach with a good book or enjoying a leisurely stroll along the water's edge, Kata Beach is also an ideal destination for families and solo travelers alike. Families will appreciate the shallow waters, making it safe for children to splash around and play. There are plenty of beachside amenities, including sun loungers and umbrellas, ensuring everyone can find their perfect spot to relax. For solo travelers, the beach offers a welcoming atmosphere where you can meet fellow adventurers or simply enjoy some peaceful solitude while taking in the stunning views. Whether you're looking to build sandcastles with the kids, try your hand at water sports, or simply bask in the sun, Kata Beach is a charming destination that promises unforgettable memories for everyone. Top attractions at Kata Beach. Kata Beach is not just about its stunning shoreline. It's also a hub of exciting attractions and activities that cater to all types of travelers. One of the standout spots nearby is Kata Beach, a smaller and more tranquil stretch of sand that offers a peaceful retreat from the busier areas. With its calm waters and serene atmosphere, Kata is perfect for those looking to relax, sunbathe, or enjoy a quiet swim. The picturesque scenery here is ideal for a leisurely stroll, making it a favorite among couples and families seeking a more intimate beach experience. As the sun sets, Kata Beach transforms into a vibrant nightlife scene. The nearby bars and restaurants come alive with music, laughter, and the tantalizing aroma of delicious food. Whether you're in the mood for a laid-back beach bar with cocktails in hand or a lively restaurant serving up fresh seafood, there's something for everyone. Enjoying a sunset dinner while listening to live music is a must-do experience that adds a magical touch to your evening. For adventure seekers, Kata Beach is a playground of thrilling water sports. Snorkeling is a popular activity here, with colorful coral reefs and diverse marine life just waiting to be explored. You can easily rent gear or join a guided tour to discover the underwater wonders. If you're looking for a bit more excitement, surfing is another fantastic option, especially during the monsoon season when the waves are at their best. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a beginner, the friendly local instructors are ready to help you catch some waves and make unforgettable memories. With its blend of tranquility, vibrant nightlife, and thrilling activities, Kata Beach truly has something for everyone to enjoy. Dining delights. When it comes to culinary experiences, Kata Beach offers a delightful array of options that will tantalize your taste buds and leave you craving more. The local Thai cuisine is a highlight, known for its vibrant flavors, fresh ingredients, and aromatic spices. From spicy curries to zesty salads, there's a dish for every palate. Be sure to try must-try favorites like Pad Thai, Tom Yum Goong, spicy shrimp soup, and Masaman curry, which beautifully showcase the rich culinary heritage of Thailand. For those looking to indulge in a memorable dining experience, popular restaurants like the Boathouse and Mom Tries Kitchen are not to be missed. The Boathouse is renowned for its exquisite beachfront location and extensive wine list, offering a perfect blend of Thai and international dishes. Imagine enjoying a delicious meal while the waves gently lap at the shore. It's an experience that elevates dining to a whole new level. Mom Tree's Kitchen, on the other hand, is celebrated for its stunning views and creative menu that combines traditional Thai flavors with a modern twist. Nestled on a hillside, this restaurant provides a breathtaking backdrop for a romantic dinner or a special celebration. The ambiance is simply enchanting, making it a favorite among both locals and tourists. One of the best ways to savor the culinary scene around Kata Beach is through beachfront dining. Picture yourself seated at a table with your toes in the sand, enjoying a fresh seafood platter while watching the sun dip below the horizon. The combination of delicious food and stunning views creates an unforgettable dining experience that captures the essence of paradise. So, come hungry and ready to explore the diverse flavors that Kata Beach has to offer. Cultural experiences. Kata Beach is not only a paradise for sun seekers, but also a gateway to rich cultural experiences that will deepen your understanding of Thai heritage. One of the must-see landmarks nearby is the iconic Big Buddha, a towering statue that stands at 45 meters tall and offers breathtaking panoramic views of the island. This impressive monument is not just a sight to behold, it's also a place for reflection and tranquility. Visitors can explore the surrounding area, take in the serene atmosphere, and learn about the significance of this revered figure in Buddhism. The journey to the Big Buddha is as rewarding as the destination itself, making it a perfect outing for travelers of all ages. For those looking to immerse themselves in local culture, the nearby markets provide an authentic shopping experience that you won't want to miss. The Kata Night Market is a vibrant hub where you can find everything from handmade crafts to delicious street food. Strolling through the stalls, you'll encounter friendly vendors eager to share their stories and showcase their products. It's a fantastic opportunity to pick up unique souvenirs and sample local delicacies, all while supporting the community. Engaging with the friendly local community is another highlight of your cultural journey. The warmth and hospitality of the Thai people are truly remarkable, and taking the time to interact with them can lead to unforgettable experiences. Whether it's joining a cooking class, participating in a traditional festival, or simply chatting with locals at a cafe, these interactions will enrich your visit and create lasting memories. In summary, Kata Beach offers a wonderful blend of cultural attractions that invite you to explore, shop, and connect with the local community, making your trip not just a vacation, but a meaningful experience. Conclusion: As we wrap up our exploration of Kata Beach, it's clear that this stunning destination offers a unique blend of natural beauty, exciting activities, and rich cultural experiences. From the picturesque shores of Kata Beach and the tranquil vibes of Kata Beach to the thrilling water sports that cater to adventure seekers, there's something for everyone to enjoy. The vibrant nightlife, delicious dining options, and engaging local culture further enhance the allure of this tropical paradise. Kata Beach is not just a place to relax. It's a hub of exploration and adventure waiting to be discovered. Whether you're lounging on the beach, indulging in authentic Thai cuisine, or visiting iconic landmarks like the Big Buddha, every moment spent here is filled with opportunities for unforgettable memories. The friendly local community adds a warm touch, making your experience even more enriching as you connect with the people and traditions of this beautiful region. We encourage you to explore Kata Beach and all its attractions for yourself. Whether you're planning a family vacation, a romantic getaway, or a solo adventure, this destination promises to deliver an incredible experience that you won't soon forget. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more travel content like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and share this video with your friends and fellow travelers. Your support helps us bring you more exciting adventures and tips from around the world. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.